my hair is so naughty. I am not gonna lie, it's taken me 4 hours to get ready to film this video today because I am hungover. I went out with my friend Jess last night and we were like, oh, let's just have 1 or 2 drinks, you know, just some casual, festive Friday night drinks, and those 2 drinks turned into a full-on night out, and I woke up this morning and actually thought I was going to die. Anyways, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope that you're all doing well today. I have a really fun video for you guys today. I'm going to be taking a break from the tutorials and I'm going to be giving you guys a Pretty Little Thing haul slash try on slash winter outfits video. I went a little bit crazy on Pretty Little Thing. I've got a whole bunch of clothes here. Pretty Little Thing did very kindly sponsor this video, so shout out to Pretty Little Thing. I do so much of my shopping on Pretty Little Thing, honestly. They are, I just love their clothes. I always find so much stuff that I love, like their style just fits me perfectly. I always find so much stuff on their website. So what I thought I would do today is, instead of just doing a plain old clothing haul, I thought I would do more of a winter outfit ideas video as well. I do live in Canada and it's absolutely freezing here at the moment. It's pretty much snows here like 7 months of the year. We do have more cold weather than we have warm weather. Our summers are so winter clothes are very important to me. Being warm is very important to me, but I also want to look cute. I don't just want to wear the same old coat every day and the same old hoodies every day. You can be stylish as well as practical, you know? So I'm going to get into this video. This is the bag of clothes that I have to go through. I am holding this closed. Do you really think I would get this many clothes and not open it up and have a little peek on what is inside? There is no way. But the first thing that I got is this cute little shirt that I'm wearing. It doesn't look all that cute, like just from the shoulders up. I kind of look like a little bit of a farmer today. But when I saw this shirt on the website and how they had styled it, I just thought it looked so cute, especially with the PVC vinyl trousers. So I also thought that I would get this outfit for myself, and I feel like this is a nice outfit for winter, especially if you go out at night. So when I was on my little bender with my friend Jess last night, I did wear this shirt and I wore it with a bodysuit and some kind of leather effect trousers. I do really like the material of this as well. When I ordered this, I thought that this was going to be flannel, and then it arrived and it's kind of like this soft, light, chiffon-y material, and it's just super comfortable. Really like this. So next thing that I got is this cute little grey off the shoulder jumper. Obviously this doesn't look all that when it's off. When it's on, it looks so nice, so cozy. I also really like the fact that Pretty Little Thing have this in so many different colors. I think I'm definitely going to order some more of these. Sometimes, like, I really like wearing not low cut tops, but I like to have my chest and my shoulders like out, you know. Got some tattoos, I want to show them off. I feel like this is a really nice way that you can be warm and also have a little bit of shoulder sass going on at the same time. I keep going to say sweater. I've been around these Canadians too long and they're rubbing off on me. It's a jumper. Okay, so I did also get this little charcoal hoodie. I mean, honestly, there's not really that much I can say about this. It's a hoodie, you know. Everyone needs hoodies in the winter. Hoodies are the perfect thing to keep you warm and the perfect thing to layer. The jackets that I did get, which I will show you guys in a little bit, all go so nicely with this hoodie. I got this kind of cropped zip neck. Oh my god, I'm so bad at explaining things. I'm really having a moment with khaki and green at the moment. I just love it. I've been wearing so much green eye makeup recently. I feel like ever since I got the Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette, I've just been so obsessed with the colour khaki. And I used to really hate this colour as well. This was like one of my least favourite colours, and I'm just obsessed with it. I think it matches my hair really nicely. Honestly, I feel like khaki looks good on everyone, but I really like how, yeah, like my hair and the khaki kind of go together, if you know what I mean. I really like the zip detail on it. I thought it was just something a little bit different to your plain old hoodie, and yeah, just going to be really, really nice for layering. I did get a black vinyl jacket, which I think is going to look really, really cute with this. I think that's going to be a really, really nice outfit. Okay, I forgot that I ordered these. So these are some cozy petite sweatpants, and these match the hoodie that I bought. I thought that this would make a really cute sweatsuit, just a really easy go-to outfit, just like a sweatsuit with like a long fluffy jacket over the top. You can just wear these with like tucked into some socks with some Air Force Ones. I feel like that's a really nice outfit. It had so many colors of these joggers and the hoodies, and I think I'm going to order some more because yeah, you just really cannot go wrong with a sweatsuit. I bloody love a sweatsuit. Got a couple of little bodysuits here. This one I thought was adorable. This is a white kind of puff sleeve sweatsuit. So this is a white puff sleeve bodysuit. I saw this on the website and I love how they styled this. I did also get the jeans that this was styled with as well. I'll show you those in a second. I really like the material of this. It's nice and thick. I don't think it's going to be very see-through because it is double layered on the boobie, which is good. You can really play around with this and create so many outfits with like plain little bodysuits like this, and yeah, I just really like the detail. Only thing I'm hoping is that my boobs aren't too big for this because there isn't a lot of cup room in this bodysuit. I'm kind of thinking maybe I should have sized up. I did get this in a size 6, so hopefully it will be okay. We will see. Speaking of puff sleeve, I did also get another puff sleeve bodysuit. This one, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this. So this is a black velvet puff sleeve bodysuit. I love this kind of hook detailing that it has on the front of it. This is just gonna look so nice with some high-waisted jeans, and also with the vinyl trousers that I got. I'll show you those in a second. I might even wear this on New Year's Eve. I think that this would make a really, really cute New Year's Eve outfit. You can really dress this up if you want to, or you can make it a bit more casual. It's so soft as well. Isn't it funny? So many people seem to absolutely hate velvet. I know that that is a thing, that people hate velvet, but I love the feel of velvet. I find it so just soothing to touch velvet, but I do also know loads of people hate it. That's why they hate velvet, because they hate the feel of it. What else did we get? Oh, I got this cute little number as well. The material of this is so nice. So it's kind of like this cropped satin, yeah, like kind of satiny feel draped shirt. Again, you can really dress this up, and then it's nice for the winter because you can really put some layers over the top of this if you have a night out. They did also have this in white, and I did debate getting both colors. I think I'm going to order the white one. Although I do need to try it on. Hopefully it looks okay. Is this puff sleeve? I think, oh yeah, it is. This one, so I got this kind of see-through polka dot mesh little puff sleeve crop top. I love this. It is see-through though, so if you do get this, you are going to need some nipple covers underneath it. That's not really a problem. I always have nipple covers anyway. I really hate wearing bras, so I always have nipple covers. You can get them on Amazon. I have been eyeing this up on the Pretty Little Thing website for a while. Have been like debating it, and anytime I've gone to order it, they have always sold out of my size. So I finally got my hands on it. I forgot that I got this. So this is a what is this in the word? I honestly feel so bad at this. I got this black tape belt. I've been after one of these for a while. This one is really, really nice, giving me some off-white vibes. I tried this on over the top of my puffer jacket, which is how I'm gonna style this today for you. This is such a great way of mixing up your winter outfit in such a quick and easy way. It just kind of adds a little edgy touch to your puffer jacket, you know? As I mentioned earlier when I was talking about the shirt that I'm wearing, I did also pick pick up some vinyl trousers, and I saw these are just so cute. I love them. I haven't tried these on yet, so I'm really hoping that these fit me and or like look good on me. I am so obsessed with how these look with furry coats and like big Sherpa jackets. So these are the vinyl trousers that I got. They've got this like zip detail in the front. These are very sassy. These are very sassy. I'm gonna be feeling myself when I wear these. Look how well they match this shirt though. Like honestly, I just think that this is such a nice combination. I feel like a lot of people would probably feel quite intimidated by these because they are very extra, but honestly, when you do wear these with like a big oversized hoodie and some trainers and like big oversized coat, it is a really nice way of dressing these down so they're not too in your face, you know. I just think these are fab. So this is the last thing that I have in the bag, and then we're going to move on to the jackets. The jackets are the best bit, I promise. I am really excited about these jeans. I bought these jeans for the purpose of wearing them with those kind of puff sleeve bodysuits. They're actually called balloon jeans. So they're really tight around the waist, like they really hug your waist, and obviously they're high-waisted. Always with the high-waisted jeans. I can not ever imagine a time in my life I will never wear high-waisted jeans, okay? I love them. I don't want to go back to that muffin top life, I'm sorry. I will be wearing these until I am old and grey. Thank you very much. I honestly think that these are possibly one of the most flattering fits of jeans ever. So these really hug your waist, and then they've kind of got these little pleats in here, and then they're super baggy. Like they just get super baggy and they just look amazing. I specifically bought these to wear with crop tops and those puff sleeve bodysuits. I wear bodysuits pretty much every day. I am kind of plain with my clothing. I am sort of a sweatpants, hoodies, bodysuits, crop tops kind of person, and then I do also love my jeans, and I just think that these are so fun. I don't have any jeans like this. I do have a lot of mum jeans, but I don't have any jeans that are this baggy, and I have already tried these on, and the fit of them is amazing. I love them so much. Honestly, I really like Pretty Little Thing jeans. Pretty much all of my jeans are from Pretty Little Thing because these ones aren't petite. I'm just going to like roll up the bottom of them. I don't really care about that, but they do have really great petite jeans as well. But I just really like the fit of their jeans, and they've got so many styles to choose from, so many different colors, and they're super affordable as well. Oh my goodness, I've got these jackets. This first coat that I got is a full length coat. I'm going to put a picture of this on the screen so you can see exactly how it looks. I have been wearing this already this week, and I've been wearing this with some hoodies underneath it, and it is just so cozy, and I really feel like when I'm wearing this, I feel like I'm wearing a blanket. I have never had a coat that is this long before, because usually because I am petite, I can never find long coats that actually look good on me, and normally I just look like a child wearing their dad's coat. Like that is literally what I look like when I try and wear long jackets, but this one actually fits me perfectly. The only thing I will say about this is I do wish I'd sized up in this, because the sleeves are a little tight when I'm wearing a hoodie underneath it. So I did get a UK 6, but I'm kind of wishing that I got a UK 8. I don't know why I didn't, to be honest, because usually I do always size up in my coats so that I can wear like hoodies and like jumpers and stuff underneath them. So it's kind of silly of me that I didn't size up in this, but that's totally my fault. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with a black fur coat. They go with everything. You can really dress them up, you can dress them down. This looks really cute with a sweatsuit. It looks really nice dressed up with heels or like heel boots as well. It's just kind of one of those classic coats. So this is the jacket that Anthony has already been stealing from me. It's this oversized kind of nylon and Sherpa it's sort of a bomber jacket, but not really. It's just really cozy. This jacket is really oversized, just so you know. I got this in a UK 4. So as I just said, like usually I size up in jackets, but I looked at the size the model was wearing on the website, and I think she was wearing a UK 4 as well, and she was a lot taller than me. So I just kind of thought, I'm gonna get the 4 as well. I'm really glad that I did, because it is oversized, but it's like the perfect amount of oversized. I have a feeling if I'd have got this in a 6 or even sized up like I normally would, it would have been way too big for me. So this is perfect, so cozy. I do have a little bit of a love affair with puffer jackets. I love puffer jackets so much. I just kind of had to have this because I just feel like this has some really nice details to it. I really like that it's got a double layered collar on it. It's kind of like you don't even need to wear a scarf when you're wearing this, because this just really keeps your neck nice and warm and cozy. I also really like the fact that this one is quite shiny, and then it's got these silver zip details on it as well. I was wearing this one in my festive vlog. I was wearing this when I went to the mountains. This just really kept me warm. So this is going to be my coat for when it's like super cold, because this one is just... Sorry, that's Stanley. He just woke up from his nap. Yeah, this is going to be my like proper winter coat, along with the black fur one, because that one is also super warm. I have been waiting to get this jacket for months at this point, and anytime I've gone to order this, it's always been out of stock. This jacket sells out so quickly, and for good reason, because it is so fab. This is a vinyl puffer jacket. I am so obsessed with this. I'm so happy that it finally came back into stock in my size. They do also have this in different colors as well. I think they have a red one and a pink one, but I just think the black one is so sick. Just think there's something so sassy about vinyl anyway, but especially a vinyl puffer jacket. Like, this is just sick, and it looks so good on. The only thing that I will say about this is if you want to be able to wear like thick hoodies or sweatshirts or anything underneath it, definitely size up in this. I did size up in this. I got a UK 8, and to be honest, I feel like I could have even sized up to a 10. If you're not really bothered about wearing like more layers underneath it, then by all means get your regular size. If not, I would size up a 1 or 2, because it is it's a very tight fit. Really just so happy with this jacket. I've just remembered I did also get some other jeans, and I wore them last night, and I need to find them because I want to show you. They're really cute. Hold on. Okay, I've just found them. They were in my bathroom. I forgot where I took my trousers off last night because your friend Belle had a few too many drinks. So these are some skinny black coated jeans. I love coated jeans. If none of you guys know what coated jeans are, they're kind of black jeans that have like this shiny effect to them. They kind of give you the same effect as wearing leather or faux leather trousers, like skinny pants, but they're a little bit more comfortable. I've got a few pairs of like faux leather leggings and like trousers, and sometimes they're not the most comfortable thing to wear. Like, they can get a little bit sweaty, or they can be really cold as well and not really keep you that warm. Whereas coated jeans, they're always like really soft and comfortable on the inside, but then on the outside they're kind of, yeah, they're just like very sassy, and I just love them. I will link these down below for you guys because, yeah, they're just amazing. Okay, so that is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you got some inspiration for some winter outfits yourself. I will list everything down below in the description box. I will put links down there so you can find everything really easy. If you do want me to do some more style videos and some more like fashion outfit videos, definitely let me know. I would be happy to. This is going to be my last video before Christmas, so I hope that you all have a Merry Christmas. I hope you all have the most amazing time with your families. I hope you're all spoilt rotten. If any of you guys are working on Christmas Day, if any of you guys work in retail hospital or work for the NHS, or you know, have jobs where you are out there working and making sure that us guys who aren't working are looked after. Please know that I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video, and Merry Christmas. Mwah.